Hi friends! Welcome to Lua's Discovery Lab. Today we're going to make homemade journals with just folded paper and glue. So what you're going to need is some colored paper or fun painted papers for a cover and lots of blank pages or printed pages for the inside. If you want to use our printed pages like our friends are making for an Affirmations journal, make sure you have your adult take you to our website and download the free pages there. They're free affirmation journal pages. And all you do is print and fold. Come watch our friend Cadence make her journal. Okay, friends, see how Cadence takes the paper and folds it carefully in half? Then, once all your pages are folded, you're going to glue one side of one page to the other side of the other. You have to line up the folds. See how she's doing it? And if the pages are printed, make sure they're both going in the same direction so you can read them. At the end of all your pages, put some glue on the back, fold a big piece of colored paper or painted paper, and push it down. Fold it in. Make sure the folds are in the fold of the colored paper. And then put some glue on the top of the pages and fold down your cover. And voila! It's a book! Wow, that looked like so much fun. I'm going to go make mine today. What are you going to put in yours? Are you going to draw? Are you going to write a book? Are you going to use it as an affirmation journal? Remember, if you want our pages, have your adult go to our website, luaplay.com, and download your free pages there. Okay, thanks for playing with us today in the Discovery Lab. See you real soon. Bye!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.